Hey guys, it's Mylanda Lego, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Lego lawn mower. I'm going to show you the pieces that you need to build this. Here is a picture of all the pieces that you will need to build your Lego lawn mower. If you want, you can pause the video so you can get all the pieces ready. The first piece that you will need is your base, which is white, and we will be building on it upside down. Grab your 2x4 tires and flip it upside down. Stick it on the end of the body and make sure it is upside down, like so. Do the same thing on the other side with flipping it upside down. You will next need this 4x4 circular piece, and you will put it on the bottom of your lawnmower, like so. Next, you are going to take your pin/cross and stick it in the bottom of the lawnmower in the circular 4x4 piece. Next, you are going to take your lawnmower blade and stick it on the bottom of your lawnmower. Next, you're going to take your 1x2 red piece and stick it on the top and front of the lawnmower. Then you're going to grab your 2x2 slanted brown piece and stick it in front of the red piece. Then you're going to grab your 1x4 and stick it on the side. Make sure there's a space right on the body. Do the same on the other side with a 1x4. Next, take your windshields and put them on each side of the 1x4s, like so. Next, take your 1x4s and stick them across the windshields, like so. But make sure there is one empty spot. Then take your 1x2s and stick them across the empty spot. Then take your 4x4 flat piece and stick it on the top of the cab. Next, you're going to take your 2x3 black piece and stick it on the 2x2/1x2 piece, like so. Next, you're going to take your 1x2 with a hole in the middle and stick it on the 2x3, like so, and do the same on the opposite side so it makes a tunnel. Then you're going to take the third one and place it on the back. Next, you're going to take your gray discs and stick them in the tunnel that the 1x2s make, like so, and do it on the opposite side too, like so. Next, you're going to grab your 1x2 curved piece and stick it on the 2x2/1x2, like so. Next, take your lever and stick it on the 1x2 curved piece. Next, you're going to grab your 2x3 and stick it on the top of the motor, like so. And then you're going to grab your 2x4 flat piece and stick it on top of the 2x3, like so. Next, you're going to take your gray 2x2 disc and stick it on the top of the motor, like so, and followed by another disc. Next, you're going to take your 1x1 green dots and stick it on the bottom of the motor on the 2x3. Put the other one beside the 1x1 green dot. Then you're going to take your brown 2x2 cylinder and stick it beside your other two 2x2 discs. Next, you're going to take a 2x2 brown square and put a 2x2 blue disc underneath it and turn it upside down. Then you're going to take another 2x2 brown disc and put it on top, then a 2x2 square, then another 2x2 blue disc. Then you're going to take this piece with the pin in the middle and stick it through this piece. Pull it through. Next, you're going to take your 2 brown discs and stick them up the rod with the first one and then the second one. Then you're going to grab this piece that we just built and stick it in the blue 2x2. Then stick it on the brown 2x2 cylinder. Then grab your lawnmower and stick it on the very back of your lawnmower. And that's how to build a Lego lawnmower. Bye guys, hope you enjoyed the video, and you'll see me in the next one. Bye!